you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in EAFC25, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Restart the game. Close the game completely and restart it. This can often resolve temporary glitches that cause loading issues. Step 2. Check server status. Visit the official EA website or social media channels to check if there are any server outages or maintenance. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they're back online. Step 3. Clear cache. For console users, power off your console and unplug it for a few minutes. For PC users, clear the game cache by navigating to the game files and deleting the cache folder. Restart the game afterward. Step 4. Update the game. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates through your console or game launcher and install them. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the issue persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the game. This can help fix any corrupted files that may be causing the loading screen issue. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the loading screen problem in EAFC25. If the issue continues, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.